Hello everybody. So if you always wanted to watch a video what more than half a foot of snow looks like on a Lincoln Town Car, here's your chance. Look at that. Look at this. I love the fact look, I love the fact that the grin is still showing just a little bit. Just enough. But you can barely see the hood ornament. Wow, this is the first time. So I own this car since December 24th of 2019. I bought it right pretty much on Christmas Eve. By the time I got out of a dealership, that was Christmas Eve. So yeah, I've never seen so much snow, especially covering pretty much. I mean, you got another fraction of an inch and it'll be covered. So interesting that this Mercedes right here also with a hood ornament, you know, obviously it was probably garaged. Yeah, so here we go. Gonna try and clean at least some of it off. Today is thankfully Sunday, don't really have to commute, but look at this. And you know, it's wet heavy snow too, so yeah, you can kind of see how the wheels are covered, probably corroding ever so slightly. Yeah. Now normally I would probably have the car running, you know, if I wanted to clear it off, but right now I'm not going to be taking it anywhere. I just kind of want to let it soak in. And well, oh, look at this. Look what I found. There you go. All right, yeah, I just got done driving and filming with this car. Yeah, this car is a much better vehicle in the snow. Yeah, we did get stuck a couple times in that video, but overall, it's in much better shape. And somebody forgot their snowblower here. Yeah, so, you know, for weather like we've been having, this one is better, but, you know, this one is for the soul. This one is for the brain. This one is for the soul. All right, let's see if I can clean some of this off. All right, boys and girls, so this is what we have to deal with living in the Midwest, in Illinois in my case. But I know that this particular snowstorm touched, you know, like a third of the country or something like this. So I definitely don't want you to feel, you know, bad for me, or you think that I'm struggling here. No, I mean, this is normal. I actually love snow. I love the fact that, you know, here, at least where I live, we have, you know, we have 100+ degree days. We do have, obviously, this cold. We don't really have hurricanes here. There's a few stronger thunderstorms that could cause some damage, but not a whole lot else. And as you can see, friendly Bobcat was here. That's kind of why I wanted to wait until it's here so he can plow, and then I wanted to clear up my car. So yeah, you see a lot of people here, even where I live. You know, I don't know if this person works somewhere else, but I know this is a neighbor of ours, and during the summer months the plow comes off. So this is kind of what it is. And you know, still curious to find out what's going on with the Solara, but that's another story for another day. If you saw the town car struggled a little bit to get away from the snow, but it's not because of the whole rear wheel drive thing, because there was so much snow underneath that I was bottoming out. So here you go. Here it is, nice and clean. Gotta get some of this off. Oh, you get the idea. And from here, I think we are supposed to get a couple more smaller storms, like snowstorms like this. So we'll see how it goes. But we'll see you next time also.